5-mark question. Debrogle's equation. Debroglie wave equation. Debrogle's equation. Okay. You assume that, think about photon. Suppose if a photon have that the particle nature mean, you can write that the energy is E is equal to mc square according to Einstein mass energy relationship. Einstein mass energy relationship. Suppose think about photon. If it is photon has wave nature mean that energy E is equal to h nu according to Planck quantum theory. According to Planck quantum theory. So if it is photon has particle nature, the energy E is equal to mc square. If it is photon has wave nature, energy is equal to h nu according to Planck quantum theory. Now both are energy only, no? So you can write h nu is equal to mc square. But the nu is equal to c by lambda. So that you can apply the value over here. So h is equal to c by lambda. So h c by lambda is equal to mc square. Okay. So c cancel, we need only wavelength lambda. Lambda means wavelength. So lambda is equal to what? H by mc. H by mc. C is nothing but velocity of light. So c is velocity of light is equal to v. Both are equal. C is velocity of light, v also velocity only. So in the place of c, you can replace c by v. So you can write lambda is equal to h by m into v. But actually mass into velocity is equal to momentum p. mv is equal to p. So you can replace mv by p. So that lambda is equal to h by p. Is nothing but Debrogle's equation. Usually they will ask me one more question, what is Debrogle's equation? Commonly they will give this value, lambda is equal to h by mv or lambda is equal to h by p, that is Debrogle's equation. See again, if it is a photon has a particle nature, according to Einstein mass energy relationship, E is equal to mc square. Suppose if it is photon has wave nature, according to Planck quantum theory, E is equal to h nu, both are energy only. So that h nu is equal to mc square. Here the nu is equal to c by lambda. We are going to apply the value here. H c by lambda, that is equal to mc square. We need only lambda. So lambda is equal to h by mc. C is nothing but velocity of light. So c is cancelled by v. So you can write lambda is equal to h by mv. M into v, mass and the velocity is equal to momentum p. So mv is cancelled by, removed by momentum. So lambda is equal to h by p. It's not only applicable small particles like electron, it's very applicable for subatomic particles like proton, electron, neutron, all these small particles it is applicable. That is very important thing. The next one is, after Debrogle's equation, this is one important 5-mark question. Next very important 3-mark question in this lesson, Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. It is impossible to measure simultaneously both the position and the momentum of the microscopic particle with absolute accuracy or certainty. It is impossible to measure simultaneously both position and momentum, nothing but velocity of the microscopic particle with absolute accuracy or certainty. Mathematically, the law is expressed as del x into del p is greater than or is equal to h by 4 pi. Here, the del x is equal to uncertainty position of the particle. Here, the del p is equal to momentum of the uncertainty particle. Very important 3-mark equation. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? It is impossible to measure simultaneously both the position and the momentum of the microscopic particle with absolute accuracy or certainty. Mathematically, the law is expressed as del x into del p is greater than or is equal to h by 4 pi. Here, del x indicate uncertainty position of the particle, del p indicate uncertainty momentum of the particle. It's a very important question. Frequently they are asking in board exam. The next important 3-mark question, what is the significance of negative electronic energy? Significance of negative electronic energy. Significance of negative electronic energy. Negative electronic significance of negative electronic energy. The energy of electron is arbitrarily assumed to be 0. That's the important 1-mark question. The energy of electron is arbitrarily assumed to be 0. Just think about atom. This is the atom. This is in the middle of the atom present the nucleus. Almost K shell, L cell, M cell. In the shell, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in an elliptical path that termed as orbit or shell. What we are assuming here, the energy of electron is arbitrarily assumed to be 0. That's nothing but 0 energy state. So already the energy of electron is 0. Due to influence of nucleus, electron not simply sitting here, this always revolving around the nucleus. So electron doing some work, that means spend energy, almost energy 0 level. Spending energy means going less than 0, that means negative, that's nothing but negative electronic energy. So what is the significance of negative electronic energy mean? The energy of electron is arbitrarily assumed to be 0. This is nothing but 0 energy state. Due to influence of nucleus, electron doing some work, that means revolving around the nucleus. So spend energy, spends mean already 0 state, already again spending energy mean going less than 0, nothing but negative, that's called negative electronic energy. That's very important 3-mark question. Okay, the next question.